Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US dollar hit a fresh 5-week high versus major peers after more Federal Reserve officials flagged the likelihood of continued aggressive monetary tightening ahead of the central bank's key Jackson Hole symposium this week. Rising energy prices could push US inflation above 18% next year, the highest rate in nearly 50 years, according to experts. Inflation hit 10.1% in July, which is 5 times the Bank of England's target. China continues to expand its reliance on Russian energy, with purchases of crude oil products, gas and coal rising to $35 billion since the war in Ukraine began, from about $20 billion a year earlier. The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.7% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The US new home sales will be released at 1400 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT, Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1400 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 130 hours GMT, and Japan's Jibun Bank services PMI at 130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.